It's a company with roots in Barbados that has been helping to shape the look of some of the island's most recognizable brands. It's the story of Labels Craft Jamaica. Here's Deirdre Thomas with this week's edition of the Business Review.
You may not always notice them, but they're everywhere. From your favorite hot sauce to your go-to hair products, those eye-catching labels that make Jamaican products stand out are often crafted right here at Labels Craft Jamaica. It's a business that's been sticking with success for more than a decade.
Most of the labels were being printed in Barbados for Jamaica at the time. So the directors, Paul and Jules Evelyn, decided that, guess what, we want to be closer to our customers. So what they have done is open a small plant in Arbitrary Road back in the days, but they quickly realized that that is growing rapidly. So we are expanding. So we moved to this location about 5 years ago. This is Tom Kringle Drive, which is part of the Ferry Warehouse, which is part of the economic zone.
From those humble beginnings, the company has grown into one of Jamaica's leading labeling companies, the creative force behind some of the country's most recognized products. Now also inching toward $1 billion in sales, General Manager Dr. Marlon Farquharson says they're producing more than 2 million labels each day. It's a long way from the early days when the team was just 4 strong. Now 20 employees who keep the press rolling and the ideas flowing.
And we're investing in a new press which will arrive in Jamaica in December. And then we are investing in the next press that will be here in the next 2 years. So we are moving from just being a label company to a packaging company, where we're going into unsupported labels. That's the label that made the chips, like the banana chips. We're going into pouch, which is pouch like Lasco pouch. And we're going into ketchup, which is ketchup pouch.
And though the COVID-19 pandemic was a sticky situation for most businesses, Mr. Farquharson says sticking was what they did best.
I think the COVID allowed people to drink more, so there's a demand more for labels. So it was our best year during COVID.
However, even the best labels face a few wrinkles.
Because of the tariff that was implemented in the States, we are now moving away from ordering our material from the States, because 90% of our material usually come from the States. So we have formed synergy like companies like Avery out of China. We form it with other companies out of Europe, out of Asia. We might take a longer time. So what we have to do is to revisit our logistics program and to see when we will need the material.
It's a kind of pressure that keeps the team thinking ahead.
We are investing in a machine that will take over the industry, the packaging industry. It will also help us to go into packaging like the Pepsi, the Coca-Colas, the Minute Maid, the water. So we'll be able to go into those type of production now.
For the Business Review, I'm Deirdre Thomas.